G'day everyone, welcome to another CMI podcast. This one is about dinosaur soft tissue, and I'm Dr. Jonathan Sarfati for Creation Ministries US from Australia originally, and with me all the way from Singapore is...
Joel, hi.
So this is a surprise for many people, isn't it, Joel?
Yes, in fact, this is one of the topics I'm most excited about. It's dinosaur soft tissue.
And how long has this been known for?
Well, before we even talk about how long this has been known for, let's explain to the audience what do we mean by dinosaur soft tissue. You see, sometimes when we open the scientific literature and they talk about soft tissue, they're talking about soft body parts in animals that have now become fossilized and mineralized. But that's not what we're talking about here, are we?
I think we're talking about things that actually remain after all the minerals have been dissolved, and that's the issue, as well as things like proteins and DNA that certainly shouldn't be lasting millions of years, but they have been found in fossils supposedly millions of years old.
So original protein and soft tissue from the creature itself. That's not
and even
completely
intact
fossilized.
cells. That's how fine the detail is, yeah. Like for instance, the most famous one was dissolving bony material with a chelating agent, which grabs the calcium and dissolves the minerals away. And so what can't be touched by the chelating is the original protein. And they found things like soft and stretchy blood vessels. They're still elastic, and that's been shown on TV.
Soft and stretchy blood vessels.